I will told forgot one thing in regarding Tata Chemicals. The promoter stake in the stock will be increased in last 1 month by Tata Group. You, if you think about a stock, the promoter is increasing stake continuously means the growth of the company will be increased. You will understand about that first. That means the promoters is continuously increasing the Tata Chemicals stake means the growth, the EV vehicles demand, you will think about it. That's why they will, the promoter itself increasing their stake in Tata Chemicals. For example, Tata Chemicals, how can the Tata Chemicals will be demanded? Also, Tata Motors will be benefited in upcoming days. Recently, in Tamil Nadu budget also, they will mention about the EV vehicles and upcoming bus orders. Tata Motors, every in India, the majority of the stocks will be majority of the buses and uh, automobile industry. The buses companies means like Tata Motors or Ashok Leyland will be benefited from the government side. Due to this, the Tata Motors also benefited in automobile sector like diesel and petrol vehicle also possible. In that case also, the Tata Steel also get benefited. In a Tamil Nadu government project budget also, they will mention 3000 EV buses only. They will mention particularly 3000 EV buses will be ordered from Tata Motors, like that. It will be benefited largely in upcoming days. In We will now discuss about Tata Consumer. The Tata Consumer will be listed in Nifty 50 by March 31st, 2021. That means the Tata Consumer will be has a highest growth in Nifty 50. The majority of the companies will be listed only. It will perform, the performance of the company will be well and good in upcoming days, they believe. Then only it will be listed in Nifty 50. Instead of GAIL, the Tata Consumer will be listed in Nifty 50 in upcoming days. TCS, we all know about Tata Consultancy Services. It will, all government projects and government websites is maintained by Tata Consultancy Services by TCS. Even though you are writing MSET, ESET, ISET, railway, RRB, SSC, what are the exams you are writing in the through online, it will be conducted by Tata Consultancy Services. You will think about it, all the government projects also maintained by TCS only. So in upcoming days, in digital India, the TCS, the major stock, it will be benefited in upcoming days. In upcoming days, Tata also think about Tata company will launch a super app. In super app, what will they provide? From every product, whatever you want, you will order through that super app. That means, for example, you need any salt or anything, you can order the salt from app itself. They will deliver to your door, like Amazon, like that. But it will provide A to Z all the products like Amazon or Flipkart. TCS buy, but you cannot buy something like uh, cars, buses. We cannot purchase through Amazon or Flipkart. In upcoming days, the government, according to government policies, it will be possible, you will purchase cars, bikes through that super app. If the government allows the permissions to the Tata, it will be possible in upcoming days. There will be a majority of the growth in TCS in upcoming days. You will buy these stocks and you will see the future and how much returns it will generate. You cannot imagine that much. It will be a multi baggers in upcoming days. Thank you for watching GMS Creations.